Hey, Hunter. What you doing? You flying a kite? Is that your Spider-Man kite? Oh. What's little buddy doing? Hey, Dan. What you doing? That's which one's yours? American flag? That's nice.
Patriotic, son.
Are you having fun?
Patriot.
New Smyrna?
Yeah.
We've got Mr. Tom with us, our mascot.
Yeah.
A little vulgar, but that's okay. He can't help it. He's made that way. He's made that way. Yeah. There's Hunter, yeah. Look at his right there again. See if I can see it. There it is. And then the girls are out playing. Look at them. Having a good time. Are you having a good time, Mama? Yeah? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye?